Uh, yes, welcome to you all. I request Professor Nadar ma'am to share about the I can say the vision, the mission of Entrepreneurs Club, and welcome all. Ma'am, over to you.
Good evening. Good evening. Welcome all our members and guests, those who are new to our club. I am Mrs. Nadar. I am here to introduce about our club. Our mission is to create a network of 1 minute. Mahesh, can you please reduce the size? Reduce the size of the screen. Yeah. Because I cannot see.
Yes, madam. You can go ahead.
1 minute.
Madam today is not feeling well, but still considering the club and we entrepreneurs, okay, we get amazing energy. So just type in the chat.
Yeah, now I can.
ME, that is more energy to Nadar ma'am. Type ME, more energy to her. Ma'am, you can go ahead.
To create a network of healthy entrepreneurs who with a common platform to share and can benefit mutually from the association. Now here, whoever is a part of our club will get benefit and each one help with others as consultants. Those who are here, all of you know. Study into the like-minded people to create a healthier society. Again, time and again, I am repeating the same. Our club, all the members are treated equal. Whether you are having multi-millionaire business or you are in small business. Again, whether you are a senior citizen or whether you are a very young, like Mahesh. Everyone treated same level. So that is the main plus point of our club. Next. And all of us together help to create a healthy society. And everyone help to each other. Okay. And today's topic is how to use WhatsApp as a business medium. Now I welcome Mahesh to take over. Thank you, Mahesh.
So nice of you, ma'am. Thank you for the wonderful introduction. Yes, Atul sir, should we begin? Atul sir?
Yeah, you can.
Sir,
I'm
can you?
traveling, so I may
traveling.
not be much participating.
Fine, sir.
Continue. Yes, thank you.
Sir. Thank you. Thank you. Friends, let us have a wonderful, our entrepreneurs pledge. Okay, let me show you on screen also so that we can just follow it. Okay, maybe I'll be reciting here. I request you all to repeat after me, maybe inside your heart. Okay, maybe I'll repeat 2 times so that you'll repeat with me. Super. Dr. Ashish, can you help me for this?
Yes.
For the pledge, can you help us?
Oh, sure. You want me to read it?
Yeah, please.
Okay. So, good evening, boys and girls. Let's begin. I am an entrepreneur.
I'm an entrepreneur.
All entrepreneurs are my brothers and sisters.
All entrepreneurs are my brothers and sisters.
I love my profession.
I love my profession.
And I'm proud of its social service.
I'm proud of its social service.
I shall always try to be worthy of it.
I shall always strive to be worthy of it.
I shall give my entrepreneurs brothers and sisters respect and treat everyone with courtesy.
I shall give my entrepreneur brothers and sisters respect and treat everyone with courtesy.
To my profession, organization, and my customer, I pledge my devotion.
To my profession, organization, and my customer, I pledge my devotion.
In its well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness.
in its well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Thank you very much, Dr. Ashish ji. Yes, it was so wonderful to.
Thank you. Thank you for the honor.
Thank you. Thank you. Yes. So let us begin today's journey, friends. Okay. First of all, welcome. Welcome, Akshay. If you are having any query right now, you can put it in the chat. I'll just lower your hand. Maybe by mistakenly you have clicked on that. Welcome, Akshay. Welcome, Amol. Welcome, Ankur. Welcome, Atul sir. Welcome, Dr. Ashish. Content writing, if you can put your name, that will be more better. Okay, put your name. Welcome, Prajakta. Welcome, Professor Nadar ma'am. Welcome, Shrirang ji, Gokhale sir. Okay, so today, like, yes, welcome, Subhash sir. Yes, today, like, what I thought is like how entrepreneurs can grow with the help of using the tools, whatever they are easily available. Okay, easily available, and again, how to utilize those tools. Okay, let me, before I go ahead, today's agenda is, we are maybe for next half an hour, we'll be learning about the benefits of WhatsApp for our business benefit. Okay, definitely we are going to focus completely on business, and again, how we can use WhatsApp, and what are the possibilities. Okay, what are the different the power WhatsApp is having. So those things we are going to discuss, and later on Subhash Mainkar sir is going to share us about the award system. On 29th July we are celebrating Entrepreneurs Day. Okay, about that we will be having the discussion, and then we are going to have a short introduction of each of you all. Okay, we are going to come to know about you all. This is going to happen every Friday. Okay, super. Thank you, Purushottam, for updating your name. Welcome, Tushar and others. Super. So now let us begin. Okay, let us begin. So before I go ahead, how many of you use? How many of you cannot work without WhatsApp? Okay, without WhatsApp, type WW. Okay, without WhatsApp, it is not at all possible. Okay, type WW. Okay, and if you think yes, doesn't matter WhatsApp, then okay, just let me know how many of you, if you're okay with WhatsApp, type WW. Okay, and it's okay, then type WX. Okay, very good, very good. Nowadays you might have observed. Okay, great. Without WhatsApp also fine. Okay, WW with, I can see so many WWs. Okay, great. Thank you, Prajakta, Shrirang, and all of you. Okay, thank you very much. So now, without WhatsApp, we cannot do. Nowadays, you might have experience. Even if the client says, Are Amol, send me the details. Okay, whenever anyone says like send the communication and all these things, this is nothing but by default, the communication system has been changed to WhatsApp. So earlier, like it has to be done on phone or by email or by letter. So now everything is changed with the help of WhatsApp. So today I'll be sharing with you some secrets which are easy, but you can implement on that, and then some magics, not magic, it's just the things possible, and you can implement and you can succeed ahead. Okay, so now let me help you with the first secret. Okay, if you want to know the secrets, type in the chat yes for secret. Okay, yes for secrets. Okay, Bagul sir, welcome. Prakash sir, welcome. Santosh sir, welcome. Okay, some more people are joining in. Yes, superb. Atul sir, Akshay, Prajakta, Nadar ma'am, Tushar. Oh, great. So many of you are here who are ready to know the secrets. Then let me jump in. The first secret. See, example, say we are giving an end user an option. Say example, do you want this service, or this service? Then he should reply me by just clicking, and that response should come to us. That should come to us by WhatsApp. Okay, how it is going to happen. Then let me share my screen also with you. Yes, I'll be sharing my screen. So what you can do is I'll just open up the WhatsApp. In the group, you are already there in the group, main Entrepreneurs Club group. What you can do is go there, not go there and type. Let's not disturb the group. So what I'll do is I'll just type in the mind map. Just a minute. I'll type in the mind map. Okay, so much information is there. Okay, where I am. Yes, so WhatsApp. Okay, you can see the screen, I hope, clearly. Yes. So let me share the formula, and the formula is wa.me/91. 91 is the country code followed by your number. For example, my number is something like this. If anyone click on this link, for example, you can put up to make it a link, then put up in this format. So put up in this format. Let me share in the chat. If you click on this link, you are going to WhatsApp me directly. Okay, if you're understanding, just don't copy paste it. Okay, type the same thing again in the chat. I'm going to help you whether you are correct or you need to be improved. Okay, so I want you to type in the chat. Sorry friends, I'm making you to do it. The intention is only one thing, that I want you to understand. Yes, this is the formula. Works the awesome way. Let me show you live in WhatsApp group what is going to happen. If I copy paste this and see here what is going to happen. Okay, you can see my name. You can see my profile photo also. Yes, Dr. Ashish, you are absolutely right. I want everyone to type in the chat. Okay, you can see like this is the power of WhatsApp. So I want everyone to understand this process and type in the chat. Tushar, you are right, Tushar. Akshay, you have to add 91 to the before your number. See, that is why I requested you to type in the chat. Very good, Purushottam. Akshay, again update it. Okay, very, very good, friends. So you can see these all people are responding in the chat. Great. If you understood, then no need to type. But yes, I want you to implement it immediately. Okay, Akshay, type again with the country code. Remember? Yes, well done, Akshay. Fantastic. Now you can little more updation. That is, instead of HTTP, you can go for HTTPS. Perfect, Professor Nadar ma'am. You're a professor. You should be right always. Okay, that is the expectation. Friends, let me share the next level of this. Is say question mark text is equal to question mark. After this, if you enter the number with Amol, you're right, absolutely right. Text mark, and this, then you can say I am interested. Okay, I mean to say I'm interested in your services. I am interested. Okay, so now I'm going to help you with one more code. Okay, so what I'll do is, instead of yes, so you can see here, if you click on this link. Yes, Santosh sir, you are absolutely right. Very good. I can see so many of you are typing. Fantastic, fantastic. So whenever you type in the action, so that you are learning it. Okay, fantastic. So now whenever you, okay, now what I want is you can just copy paste till, okay, you can just click on this link and you can see that it is opening my WhatsApp number and it is typing as I am interested. It is typing as I am interested. So this is the next level. Let me share what we have done for Entrepreneurs Club. Friends, let me share what we have done for Entrepreneurs Club. Santosh sir, what you can do is, after your number, you can type question mark text is equal to something. Okay, so whenever anyone is going to click on that link, then let me share what we have done on Entrepreneurs Club website. We are getting more people connected to our group. by doing one simple activity, and that is, this is the WhatsApp group. Yes, Akshay, we have to type question mark, text is equal to, okay, the formula is here, question mark, after question mark, text is equal to without space, then that becomes active. Okay, so if anyone click on this link, WhatsApp group, the people gets added directly to the group, So join the chat, then directly people gets connected to the group. You can see so many people are connecting because of this simple system. So one simple secret, friends, let me share with you that please add WhatsApp group link on your website. Please add WhatsApp link on your website. Let people connect. Yes, I'm interested to join this group. Perfect. Very good. Perfect. Yes. So this way. Superb. Nadar ma'am. Yes, Santosh sir. Very good. Okay. So friends, okay, definitely the more benefit goes to you. So please implement. Fantastic, Akshay. Superb. I'm happy that you all are implementing the things. So always go to your website and have this kind of button. Okay, let the people click and connect with you. WhatsApp. Sometimes some people say like, sir, because of this WhatsApp system, my personal communication or my privacy gets broken. They can see my profile picture and all these things. Then in that case, if you want to maintain your privacy, go for alternate number. Go for alternate number and be visible. सिंपल फॉर्मूला है दोस्तों, जो दिखता है वो बिकता है, जो दिखता है वो बिकता है. Or use Telegram. Yes, but WhatsApp is more powerful. The reason is definitely Telegram is 10 times, 100 times powerful than WhatsApp, but still WhatsApp is user friendly. Even I say this as God's messaging system. Okay, so now great to see all of your responses. So always use a button on your website saying that ask people to connect to your group. The reason is once they come to your group, you can nurture them. You can ask them to ask any questions. Okay, always remember simple formula. What I say to my community members, that is give to get. The more and more you're going to give, you're going to get more and more. For example, you are say tool engineer, or you're having say manufacturing company. Share knowledge, share your ideas, help others to succeed. And those people are going to ask you more specific questions, and this way you are going to get more responses. Okay, Dr. Ashish, maybe yes, please.
I have a small query over here.
Yes, please.
See, on the website, when you have the link, people
Yes.
join at different times. Okay. Is there any way that they can read what is there before, or maybe look at the documents or images that have been shared before?
On website, what we are giving is the WhatsApp link, either group link or your personal link. Maybe in your case, I want you to give a group link. Let the free member come in and be there. And you can share your upcoming programs or your ideas, your valuable resources in the group.
No, that's true. I understand that. I'm just saying, previously put information is visible or not visible?
No.
Okay.
It is not visible. In Telegram, that power is there, but in case of WhatsApp, no.
Yeah. Okay.
Only they can see the group description. So put all the links in the group description so that what action they have to take. Maybe they have to take your free book. Okay, one book what you published on Amazon, you want to give it as a freebie, then you can put up the link there, or whatever the action you want to take. Super. Okay, if any questions are there, you can. Super, Bagul sir, you are becoming better and better. Now only the change is HTTP yes. HTTP yes. Okay, now let me share the next level. Next level is WhatsApp automation. WhatsApp automation in the sense. So say example. Let me share a link with you here. text is equal to, just click on this link and you can see a big list coming to you automatically. See friends, right now I'm just showing you all these tools to help you to explore the power of WhatsApp. Okay, these services you can do it by yourself, you can avail from anyone. So disclaimer, I'm not promoting any of my product or services, I'm just sharing here whatever I am helping with other entrepreneurs. I'm sharing here so that you can come to know, yes, this is the power. Just be here to learn the things, implement in your business and go ahead. Okay, just click on this link. You can see that you are sending me a message 0. I want some of you to just click on that link and send me a message 0. Hi, hello. Yes, Santosh sir is responding. Sanjay sir is responding. Fantastic. So how you can see it here? Let me share my screen. Okay, don't refer other messages. Don't see all other messages. Please ignore my messages. I want everyone to click on this link. Click on this link. And okay, you can see here, Sanjay sir, Santosh sir, you can select any code from this list. There is a big list. This is automatically sent. You can see Sanjay sir shared me first time the message. Okay, and immediately you got this reply and some messages. So this is easily possible without paying a single rupee to anyone. That is possible. Sanjay sir, Santosh sir, I want you to just enter any code of that big list. I want you to enter, not here, Prajakta, not here. You have to click on WhatsApp. Okay, on WhatsApp, you have to click there and just send a message. Not 0. You can just enter, Santosh sir, only the number, 3-digit or 4-digit number. Okay, thank you. What I want, okay, yes, Santosh sir entered about the apps. He is, what I mean to say, your potential prospects are interested in what? Let them help. Okay, let us see what Sanjay sir is typing. You can see here. Okay, he's still typing. Yeah, go ahead, sir. Go ahead. Okay, somebody ending with 3134 also responded. That number, my number is not saved with you, but still you are getting it. Okay, Sanjay sir is interested in client management system. Okay, so what I mean to say, by just he entered 212 and immediately he got that response. Why I'm showing you this concept is this is easily possible, and for this kind of activity can be done 24/7. Only one thing is required, that your mobile should be connected to internet. That's it. And one time some development has to be done. Thank you very much, Sanjay sir, for your appreciation. Okay, friends, how you can take advantage of this. Okay, let me share my problem. Maybe around 2 years back, I was helping with my different services like website, software, app, and IT production services and customization, consultancy, and all these things. So whenever anyone calls to my even office number, my reception immediately says, hello, how can I help you? And someone asks some question. So she comes to my cabin and says, my sir, please help Mr. Amol. Okay, you explain the things in very, very good way. So I used to get motivation and I used to answer all the queries. Okay, then I realized, how can I solve this problem? Okay, maybe the same thing is happening with you, friends. Okay, maybe you are answering all the queries. Someone is going to call you, hello Ganesh ji, आपके accountant का number क्या है? So bus, we pick up the phone and say, yes, accountant is say Ashwini, number is 123456. That's it. Sir, what is your office address? Okay, so we start again discussing these things with over the phone. The solution to this is, now you can say, okay, open my WhatsApp and you can find my location. If you don't find it, don't call me. Sorry, okay. Okay, we have to be little bit tough. The reason is, this is going to save your time a lot. If you type there and type as address, you're going to get my office address with map location. What else is required? What else is required? What I mean to say, whatever simple frequently asked questions are there, those things we can automate. Those things we can automate. Sudhakar ji, maybe this is not going to work with you, okay, but yes, it will work. My laptop says WhatsApp not loaded after I click on link. Yes, sir, this is, you might be on Zoom. On desktop, you might not have the desktop application. Okay, that is why this is giving the error. Okay, no issues. So now come back to the next level, that is automation. Friends, today only, like even today also, I helped almost 4 clients. What are the challenges? One client was into, say, insurance sector. So when people ask, like, sir, what are the advantage of life insurance, health insurance, or term insurance, or bond, and so many things. So answering all these things, instead of that, you can prepare all these things readily available and share with them. Go and install WhatsApp Business. There are many applications, many options are there. How many of you use WhatsApp Business? Type WB. Let me see how many of you use WhatsApp Business. I want all entrepreneurs. Okay, maybe I think I have took one session. Maybe I'll take one more exclusive sessions for you all. Very good, Dr. Ashish sir, Purushottam. Happy to see you are using WhatsApp Business. WhatsApp Business, but not using it. Do use it, Akshay. Okay, always use WhatsApp Business, friend. So maybe I'll take an exclusive session for you all to implement the things. Only the, yes, Ankur, fantastic. Okay, so
Mahesh.
Yes, sir.
मैंने वो WhatsApp Business डाउनलोड किया.
Very good.
हाँ, लेकिन वो क्या है, जो WhatsApp का जो अर्लियर मैसेजेस इमेजेस है,
हाँ,
वो उधर ट्रांसफर नहीं हो रहा है.
उससे पहले आपने पूरा WhatsApp का बैकअप लिया है क्या?
नहीं लिया.
तो नहीं होगा. So there is a system. That is why बहुत सारे लोगों को चैलेंज आ जाता है कि विदाउट बैकअप अगर हम जाते हैं वहां पर, ये बैकअप चला जाएगा.
तो बैकअप कैसा लेना है, किधर लेना है?
Okay, let me help you. I'll open up my mobile. I will help you. दोस्तों, आज ही मैंने एक खतरनाक काम कर दिया. Okay. I mean to say खतरनाक in the sense only. Okay, I'll make myself as co-host. Yes, option, make co-host. Yes, I'm not allowed to share my screen, but now I can. Okay, see, ये एक्सपेरिमेंटेशन आप देख सकते हैं. यहाँ पर स्क्रीन पर आप देख सकते हैं कि यहाँ पर 3 आइकॉन्स हैं, यानी 3 व्हाट्सएप है दोस्तों. ये सादा व्हाट्सएप, सादा यानी सादा नहीं, ये भी बहुत अच्छा था. ओके, सो ये जब से व्हाट्सएप बिजनेस आ गया ना, ये सादा हो गया. ओके, बेसिक व्हाट्सएप एंड व्हाट्सएप बिजनेस and then something different application. Anyway, so let me help you, especially सुधाकर सर, आपल्यासाठी हे व्हाट्सएप मध्ये जायचं आहे. व्हाट्सएप में हमें जाना है और व्हाट्सएप ऑप्शन में जाना है, सेटिंग में जाना है और चैट में जाना है और चैट बैकअप को क्लिक करना है और मेक श्योर यू हैव कंप्लीट बैकअप आल्सो. आप देख सकते हैं कि यहाँ पर मैं बैकअप नेवर लिया है, यानी अभी तक इसका बैकअप ही नहीं लिया, क्योंकि मैं बैकअप इसका लेना ही नहीं है मुझे, क्योंकि ये नंबर मेरा टेम्पररी नंबर है. एक्चुअली ये बहुत बड़ा नंबर है, इंपॉर्टेंट नंबर है. दिस आई क्लियरली सेड टू माय क्लाइंट्स कि इस नंबर से आने वाले सारे मैसेजेस आपके लिए ओनली मैसेज रहेगा, अलर्ट रहेगा, नोटिफिकेशन रहेगा, बाकी कुछ भी नहीं. मेरा पर्सनल नंबर अलग है दोस्तों. मेरा सिस्टम मैं आपको शेयर कर रहा हूं. ओके, अगर मेरा ये, मैं इतना डेली कम से कम 600 से 800 लोगों को मैं मैसेज करता हूं इस नंबर से. ओके, एंड अगेन डायनामिक, और किसी का भी रेस्पॉन्स में यहाँ पर रखता ही नहीं, और इसको डायरेक्टली सिलेक्ट ऑल करके डिलीट ऑल कर देता हूँ. इतना इसको मैंने बेसिक कर दिया है. सो आपको क्या करना है, यू हैव टू गो टू ऑप्शन सेटिंग एंड देन द चैट चैट बैकअप में कंप्लीट बैकअप लेना है और मेक श्योर कि आप कौन से गूगल को कनेक्ट किया है, आपके अकाउंट को कनेक्टेड रहना चाहिए। एंड दोस्तों कितना साइज हो सकता है वो मैं आपको आइडिया दे देता हूँ। I'll just show you ऑप्शन सेटिंग। इसका ये मेरा मेन नंबर है। सो यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हैं कि द साइज इज 2.7 GB, 2.7 GB and the last backup is on 21st June. Okay, and it is connected to my email ID and all these things. अगर ये पूरा बैकअप अगर है 2.7 GB, हमारा मोबाइल का कैपेसिटी है मे बी 2 GB और 3 GB। ओके, हो सकता है कुछ लोगों का ज्यादा हो। तो आपको क्या करना है सर, सुधाकर सर, टेक कंप्लीट बैकअप। फर्स्ट एक्टिविटी व्हाट्सएप का कंप्लीट बैकअप, देन
उसमें गूगल ड्राइव में अगर बैकअप के लिए स्पेस नहीं है जीबी, ऑलरेडी वो फोटोज वगैरह अपलोड हो चुके हैं।
करेक्ट। हाँ, ये आएगा प्रॉब्लम, चैलेंजेस आएंगे, फिर भी मेरे पास सोल्यूशन है। ओपन वन मोर जीमेल अकाउंट विच इज फ्री और गो फॉर पेड जीमेल अकाउंट। यानी आप जीमेल को 15 GB तक गूगल फ्री देता है, उसके बाद विद वेरी नॉमिनल चार्जेस मे बी अराउंड 1500-1700, उसमें आपको 100 GB स्पेस मिल जाता है। ओके, सो फॉर ऑल एंटरप्रेन्योर्स, I use G Suite, I use Gmail upgraded version also, so all the things I do use it. So okay, so this is done. ये और एक ऐप है, आज का मैंने जस्ट एक आप लोगों के लिए आज का ताजा खबर, और वो है oops can you see so many WhatsApps are there? yes, just to show you friends, not to share anything, because see, first of all मैं हमेशा पहले अपने ऊपर एक्सपेरिमेंट करता हूँ, बाद में अपने क्लाइंट्स को या दूसरों को मैं गाइड कर सकता हूँ, तभी मैं गाइड कर सकता हूँ। सो डेफिनेटली गो फॉर दिस कंसेप्ट आल्सो। यस तुषार, you have raised your hand, you can ask question.
Sorry, yeah, can I?
Go ahead.
I just went ahead with this data backup in web setting. After 100%, WhatsApp backup, not website.
Okay,
WhatsApp
backup.
Yeah. And for all chat backup, 100% of it is saved. It is asking me a message like backup over cellular. Backing up over cellular may use a lot of data.
Correct.
Data, connect a phone to Wi-Fi.
Correct.
Cancel or backup. What?
Always take backup or do this transfer process whenever you are in Wi-Fi zone. Wi-Fi zone. The reason is if it is not getting sufficient bandwidth, somewhere वो थक जाता है और बोल जाता है यार आज बस. Okay, I mean to say, try to understand the system. These are the system operated systems. So you need to take complete backup. Okay, I think Dr. Ashish is having 20 GB plus his data. So what I mean to say is you should take backup. See, उसके लिए आसान मैं आपको आइडिया देता हूँ. Okay, जिसके पास वाईफाई है ना उसको बोलो कि अरे चाय पीना है क्या, नाश्ता करना है क्या, and all these things, and do it. That's it. And आजकल तो सभी के घर में वाईफाई है ही. Okay, always do this process whenever you are in Wi-Fi zone. And थोड़ा दिन तक क्या होगा दोस्तों मालूम है क्या, हमारा फिंगर जो है ना वो व्हाट्सएप पर ही जाएगा. ओके, उसको जरा हैबिट लगाओ व्हाट्सएप बिजनेस पर एंड you'll be rocking. सुपर तुषार.
और एक क्वेश्चन था.
यस.
जब हम नॉर्मल व्हाट्सएप से बिजनेस व्हाट्सएप पे शिफ्ट होते हैं तो नॉर्मल व्हाट्सएप कैंसिल होता है ऑटोमेटिकली.
जैसे हमारे प्राइम मिनिस्टर बोलते हैं ना कि एक पर्सन एक पद और एक पर्सन के वैसा कंसेप्ट है कि इधर व्हाट्सएप चलेगा या व्हाट्सएप बिजनेस चलेगा या दूसरे बहुत सारे. आपने मेरे मोबाइल में देखे रहेंगे कि इतने सारे व्हाट्सएप्स हैं. ओके, इसका मतलब है कि हर एक को आप एक ही नंबर दे सकते हैं. एक नंबर दोनों जगह पर नहीं चलेगा.
ओके,
एक नंबर दो जगह पर नहीं चलेगा. तो आपका व्हाट्सएप बिजनेस में शिफ्ट हो जाएगा, आप उसको यूज करिएगा. अगर आपके पास ड्यूअल सिम है ना तो उसमें दूसरा नंबर जो है उसको आप व्हाट्सएप में डालिए. आपका प्राइमरी नंबर शुड बी ऑन व्हाट्सएप बिजनेस.
ओके,
आपका प्राइमरी नंबर शुड बी ऑन व्हाट्सएप बिजनेस.
ओके, गॉट इट.
सुपर. ग्रेट सर, ग्रेट टू हियर फ्रॉम यू कि यस गॉट इट. ओके दोस्तों आगे बढ़ते हैं. और मुझे और 2-3 चीजें आपको दिखाना है. So can I go ahead? If I go ahead, type in the chat GH. Go ahead. Please type in the chat. Give me permission to go ahead. Thank you, Purushottam. Thank you. I want everyone. Thank you, Akshay. Okay, let me share my screen. So let me open up some file. I don't know where I have kept it. WhatsApp dynamic messaging. यस दोस्तों, मैंने इसको इतना जबरदस्त सिस्टम में कर रहा हूं इसको. प्लीज इग्नोर द नंबर्स. थैंक यू सुधाकर सर, थैंक यू नदर मैम, प्राजक्ता. यस, कैन एनीवन टाइप इन द चैट योर नंबर. आई वांट, किसी का नंबर मुझे चाहिए. उनको ना मुझे डायनामिक मैसेज सेंड करना है. उनको मुझे डायनामिक मैसेज शेयर करना है. जस्ट टाइप इन योर नंबर इन द चैट. ओके. Okay, I can see so many of you typing. अरे रुको यार, रुको. Nadar ma'am, yes. So, Professor Nadar, and I'm going to type here. Oops, उनका नंबर मैंने कॉपी नहीं किया है. Can I copy it? No. Okay, 94. ओके, तो मैंने यहां पर क्या कर दिया, यहां पर उनका नंबर डाल दिया. एंड से दिस इज टेस्ट. ओके, टेस्ट मैसेज ऑन. आज का तारीख है 25 जून 2021. ओके, एंड यहां पर देखिए क्लिक टू व्हाट्सएप करके मैसेज है. इसको मैंने क्लिक कर दिया और क्लिक कर दिया. चलो. एंड उप्स, मैंने गलत क्लिक किया है क्योंकि जुबिन के पास आ गए हम. शायद मैंने गलत लिंक को क्लिक किया है. प्लीज एक्सक्यूज मी. सो यहां पर हमें क्लिक करना है. यहां पर उसके नीचे के लिंक को क्लिक करना है. इसको मैंने क्लिक किया है एंड मैंने बस मैसेज सेंड कर दिया. दोस्तों, आप यहां पर देख सकते हैं, हेलो प्रोफेसर नादार, दिस इज अ टेस्ट मैसेज ऑन 25th, हेडर कंटेंट एंड समथिंग. I hope you're understanding. This is completely dynamic message being typed. और एक पर्सन का ही मैं ले सकता हूं. एग्जाम्पल सुधाकर सर. मैंने उनका नाम यहां पर रखा. और दोस्तों, आज का मेरा मकसद क्या है मालूम है क्या? आज का मेरा, यहाँ पर हम टेम्पलेट भी ले सकते हैं. यहाँ पर मैं एक बड़ा सा कुछ तो एक टेम्पलेट ले लेता हूँ. एग्जाम्पल, आई एम जस्ट सिलेक्टिंग समथिंग और यहाँ पर कुछ नहीं टाइप करता. यहाँ पर मैं कुछ भी नहीं टाइप करता और देखते हैं सुधाकर जी को क्या मैसेज जाता है. सुधाकर सर, आई एम गोइंग टू सेंड यू वन मैसेज इन व्हाट्सएप पर मैं मैसेज सेंड कर रहा हूँ. शायद आप दोस्त लोग, आप लोग देख रहे हैं शायद. यस, अच्छा, मैंने अभी तक उनको कुछ भी मैसेज नहीं किया है. सर, मैंने आपको एक बड़ा सा मैसेज कुछ तो टाइप किया है. आप उसको देख के ना वहीं पर रिप्लाई करिए, गॉट इट करके वहीं पर रिप्लाई करिए. हाँ, अभी तो आपको मिल चुका है, डिलीवर्ड हुआ है. अभी तक आपको मिला नहीं है. मेरे एंड से सेंड हुआ है. अभी तक आपने देखा नहीं है. ओके, मेरा इंटरनेट अनस्टेबल है तो मैं अपना वीडियो बंद कर देता हूँ. जब भी अगर आपका किसी का, यस सर ने देखा है, बागुल सर ने देखा है. मेरा अपना वीडियो बंद कर देता हूं दोस्तों. सर, वहां पर रिप्लाई करिए, गॉट इट या समथिंग, कुछ तो रिप्लाई करिए. सभी लोग देख रहे हैं. यस, ही इज टाइपिंग. एंड व्हाट ही इज टाइपिंग. यस, गॉट इट. थैंक यू वेरी मच सर. सो दोस्तों, मेरा मकसद अगेन सिंपल है कि मैं चाहता हूं कि आप लोगों को समझ में आ जाए कि ये सब कुछ पॉसिबल है. ओके, लास्ट वन is about what? Is about what? यस सी एग्जाम्पल दोस्तों कि ओके लेट मी फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल शेयर द कंसेप्ट एग्जाम्पल। देखिए एज ए बिजनेस ओनर हमारा एक ही मकसद होना चाहिए कि हमारा बिजनेस कैसे बढ़ सकता है। ओके लेट मी स्टार्ट माय वीडियो आल्सो। एज ए बिजनेस ओनर हमारा एक ही मकसद होना चाहिए कि हमारा बिजनेस कैसे बढ़ सकता है। हमारा बिजनेस उससे नहीं बढ़ेगा जिससे अभी तक हम जो कर रहे हैं, अगर वही हम करते रहे तो वही होता रहेगा जो अभी तक हो रहा है। अगर इसको हमें चेंज करना है तो हमें कुछ तो चेंज करना पड़ेगा। एंड व्हाट इज दैट, व्हाट आई हैव अंडरस्टूड ओके फ्रॉम एंटरप्रेन्योर्स कंसेप्ट, दैट इज हमें ना जो एग्जिस्टिंग कस्टमर है तो वो लोग तो जो बिजनेस दे रहे हैं वही देंगे। अगर हमें और बिजनेस चाहिए तो क्या करना पड़ेगा? कैन एनीबडी शेयर कि इफ आई वांट टू इंक्रीज माय बिजनेस व्हाट शुड आई डू? प्लीज शेयर इन द चैट। अगर मेरा बिजनेस बढ़ाना है तो मुझे क्या करना चाहिए? द सेम थिंग इज एप्लीकेबल टू ऑल ऑफ यू एंटरप्रेन्योर्स। ओके लेट मी सी। ओके दोस्तों यहाँ पर बहुत सारे आइडियाज आएंगे आपको एंड अगेन यू कैन फॉलो ऑल दीज आइडियाज। ओके ट्राई न्यू एवेन्यू, वेरी गुड, नया बिजनेस शुरू करो। यस अक्षय, others go to different RTs parties. Yes, increase your contact circle, fantastic. Take feedback, get more customer, fantastic. Get more customer, but how to get more customers? Okay, how to get more customers? Increase marketing sphere by different modes, perfect. Okay, concentrate on marketing, great. Sudhakar sir, fantastic. Prakash sir, try a new method of marketing. Akshay, perfect. So dosto, you're all right, but what I have understood, educate people about your product or services. Fantastic, fantastic. So what I have understood is we have to reach to new people. We have to reach to new people. We have to try those people. We have to define our target market. Okay, with whom you want to work with. आपके कस्टमर्स कैसे होना चाहिए? ओके आपके कस्टमर का इनकम क्या होना चाहिए? आपका कस्टमर का एक्सपेक्टेशन क्या होना चाहिए? आपके कस्टमर कैसे दिखना चाहिए? एंड ऑल दिस थिंग्स, न्यू सेगमेंट्स, राइट श्रीरंग सर? ओके सो वी हैव टू आइडेंटिफाई, वी हैव टू रीच टू द न्यू पीपल। अभी तो न्यू लोग, जब तक हम उनको पहुंचेंगे नहीं, कस्टमर अवतार, एब्सोल्युटली राइटली सेड, सर्वे। सो सिंपल फॉर्मूला कि आपको ना आइडेंटिफाई करो, लेकिन उन तक कैसे पहुंचा जाए? ओके उसके लिए ना ये टेक्नोलॉजी इजीली अवेलेबल हो चुका है दोस्तों। पहले भी मुझे ना ये सब कुछ ऐसे लगता था कि जैसे कि सपना है। ओके बट यस, दिस इज ऑल हैपेंड, ऑलरेडी हैपेंड। ओके सो जस्ट आज एक मौका मिल रहा है कि आपके साथ शेयर करने के लिए। सो लास्ट पॉइंट है, सो यू कैन सेंड मैसेजेस इन बल्क टू मेनी पीपल। ज्यादा से ज्यादा क्या करेंगे? हाँ, आपके नंबर से अगर आप सेंड करेंगे तो आपका नंबर बैन होने की पॉसिबिलिटी सबसे ज्यादा है, इसलिए आप वर्चुअल नंबर से सेंड करो। ये कैसे करना है? आई विल बी शोइंग यू लाइव, आई विल बी शोइंग यू लाइव हाउ टू डू इट। सो यहाँ पर मैं अपने लॉगिन करता हूँ, यहाँ से मैं अपना लॉगिन करता हूँ। यहाँ पर कुछ लोगों का नंबर आपने जो दिया था उनको मैं यहाँ पर कुछ लोगों को नंबर मैंने आपने जो यहाँ पर दिया था उनका नंबर एंटर कर रहा हूँ। 9370149560 अक्षय का है नंबर। I'll not take name to maintain your privacy. ओके कुछ लोगों का मैंने यहाँ पर नाम लिया और कुछ लोग यहाँ पर मुझे मैसेज टाइप करना है। मैसेज क्या टाइप करूं? से अपना ही क्लब का जो इनविटेशन है उसी को मैं शेयर करता हूं, उसी को मैं यहाँ पर शेयर कर देता हूँ। ओके म्यूजिक स्टार्टेड। ओके यस, सो ये एक मैसेज आपने डाल दिया। यहाँ पर मैसेज आप डाल सकते हैं। ओके अप टू 2000 कैरेक्टर्स आप यहाँ पर डाल सकते हैं। सो यहाँ पर ना इमेजेस आप डाल सकते हैं। सो मैं इमेज थोड़ा सा फास्ट ले लेता हूँ। अच्छा आपको मैं पूरा स्क्रीन दिखाता हूँ कि हाउ एग्जैक्टली आई वर्क, आई एम शोइंग माय कंप्लीट स्क्रीन, आपके इमेजेस ना सब कुछ एक जगह पर बना के रखिएगा दोस्तों। ओके कुछ इमेजेस मैंने यहाँ से लिया और इधर डाला। ओके यू कैन सी कि लोड हो रहा है। तब तक मैं आगे जाता हूँ और यहाँ से एक वीडियो ले लेता हूँ और यहाँ पर मैंने एक वीडियो भी डाल दिया एंड यहाँ सर एक PDF फाइल है इसको भी लेके यहाँ पर डाल दिया। सो सभी लोड हो गए क्या? हो गए। यस, ऑल डन। यहाँ पर कैंपेन का नाम लिखिए, 1 2 3 4 जो भी आपको लिखना है लिखिए। 5 नंबर्स है और इन सभी को, मेरा बैलेंस आप देख सकते हैं, कुछ तो नंबर है। तो 1 2 3 4 5 सेंड, 1 2 3 4 5 सेंड नाउ, डन, परफेक्ट। आई रिक्वेस्ट जिनका भी नंबर मैंने वहां पर डाला है, आपको एक अननोन नंबर से व्हाट्सएप आया है तो चैट में लिखिए वाव, और यू कैन से मैजिक। ओके, टाइप वाव और मैजिक। ओके, टाइप इन द चैट वाव और मैजिक। ओके, आई रिक्वेस्ट, यस। ओके, डॉक्टर आशीष जी गॉट इट, फैंटास्टिक। अगर आपको मिला है, जस्ट गो टू योर व्हाट्सएप। ओके, आपको कुछ तो अननोन नंबर से आएगा, डोंट रिप्लाई टू दैट नंबर, दैट इज कंप्लीटली वर्चुअल नंबर। ओके, दैट्स इट। एनी क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम यू? वी हैव 2 more minutes। उसके बाद आई रिक्वेस्ट सुभाष वनकर सर, यस ही इज देयर। यस, सुधाकर सर गॉट इट, अक्षय गॉट इट, फैंटास्टिक, थैंक यू वेरी मच। दोस्तों, आज का मेन मकसद था कि आपको आने वाली कल के बारे में आइडिया देना। ओके, आने वाले कल के बारे में आपको आइडिया देना कि क्या हम टेक्नोलॉजी को यूज करके क्या क्या कर सकते हैं, एंड दैट्स इट। यस, नादर मैम आल्सो गॉट इट, फैंटास्टिक। सो
Mahesh, but how do you generate this virtual number?
Sir, these all are service providers are available. We can buy these virtual numbers or we can buy their services.
Okay. So you have to buy those numbers.
Yes.
But then if somebody sues you, then suppose you send something nasty messages to so many people, which I keep receiving from so many people, right?
Okay.
So what is the way out to deal with those kind of things?
Frankly, sir, I'm an entrepreneur, so maybe an advocate can help us. But still, like what I say to, I normally never share something not useful for the end user. This is the first formula I do follow. Second is I never share a second message to same person again and again. Never ever.
No, whether you send whatever message, you are sending messages to people who
without their
sort your messages.
Correct.
Without taking their permission, you are sending them. Itself is illegal.
Correct. Agreed, sir. Right now, no solution right now I do have. Okay, so that's it. I mean to say, like, say example.
But are you saying we want to promote unethical practices?
On this platform, I will not say anything. On this platform, sir, I will not say anything. But if we don't do it, we will be lagging. I'll not say like promote it unethically. Say example, I can see somewhere on simple example on Just Dial, I can see your number. So agreed. I don't know whether it will be useful for you or not. Okay, one can definitely call, one can definitely send message, but it is officially not allowed. Okay, I 100% agree. But yes, what I can say is if we follow all these, I'll not say all these statements कि rule उन्हीं के लिए होते हैं जो rule follow करते हैं. Okay, but if we start following all these things, and if the business is not growing, then it's of no use. But definitely don't promote unethical activities, unethical messages. This is what I can say, sir. Maybe an advocate can answer your query, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Yes, friends. So I can understand these points may come up in picture, but okay, but we have to reach. For example, I used to meet in MIDC. I used to visit door to door. Okay, meeting the clients with the expectation they are going to understand the importance of technology and all these things. Maybe the watchman is not at all going to give permission to enter the premises. 100%. That is his duty. He's doing. Okay, that is a skill we should have. Okay, till we are not going to meet the owner, the decision maker, we are not going to succeed. So now the technology is there, we can directly enter into the system. Anyway, this is my thought process. Definitely you can take call on that. And only one thing I want to say here on this platform, okay, always give to get, give something valuable things to the end user. He's going to give you an opportunity. Okay, I'm really thankful to you all, okay, for sharing wonderful, asking questions. Any one question I can take up? Subhash sir, you are there? You are ready?
Yes, I'm there.
Super.
Probably I may get disconnected because twice I got disconnected because of the internet issue.
Okay, sir.
So if we are, you are through or you are taking one more
done.
question? Okay.
Done.
Okay.
If possible, you can start your video also, sir.
I'll just try.
Okay.
I'll just see.
I think, sir, no need to start the video because bandwidth is less. So please stop the video. At least we can hear you.
Okay. Hope it was showing the categories in which we are going to give the awards, so that I'll talk to people about it. Okay. All of you know that we are going to have our grand annual session, that is 29th of July, JRD Tata's birthday, and we celebrate it as an entrepreneur day, on which we issue certain, or rather we give the awards in 6 categories. Now I'll explain you how we should nominate individually if you find any one of your acquaintances, so that you can nominate them for these awards. Our club's rule or indirect understanding is that we do not give any award to our club members, whether past or present or future. We don't give any awards to the member of the club. Up till now, for last 27 years, we have been giving a lot of awards every year. Average, if you would say, initially we were giving less number of awards. Now we have increased in between, and then we reduced it to 6 awards this year. So I would request Mahesh if he could share the list of the awards, so
Okay,
that I'll tell the people who are our members. I think most of the members know the general procedure of the awards, what we do and nominate. I would like to inform whoever are new to the club that these awards are absolutely impartial, and up till now, whomsoever we have given the awards, nobody would say, okay, the awards are given on the maybe some biases. So first award is Excellence in Entrepreneurship. So here we look at the entrepreneur who has done something that is either an excellent in entrepreneurship. So we can evaluate, and we have a form. Mahesh, if you could show the form also.
Yes, sir.
Can we load the form? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this is the form for which we nominate, the club members nominate individual whom they are acquainted or they know about it. So they fill in the information. Then there is a procedure. There is a committee who decides and discusses on individual which is proposed, and the shortlisting of these awardees is made. Then we have one more round of these meeting, and where we finalize the award. So let's say we give, this is the information. It's a simple form, since we are working on online. Otherwise, these forms were even available on the printed form. Now we expect that. So these are the categories in which we give. There is a manufacturing in which he is doing. Let's say he has done something great in manufacturing or services or agricultural, professional. So just to give you one example, who were our past awardee, Quick Hills director was awarded, or rather Quick Hill was awarded as one of our awardees some 2 years back. So he was one of the then awardees earlier. And if you look at these, just slowly scroll so that people can see who are our past awardees. just slowly. Yeah, so this is all eminent personalities like Kamlin Subhash Dandekar. Then there is P.S. Devdhar. If anybody knows about AppLab, understand that he is one of the, I would call this in Marathi, Rushitulya in electronics field. He is one of the best. Then all these Pramod Chaudhary of Praj Industries. So these people have been given awards of our club. And just now go to the list of various awards.
Small correction. These eminent persons were chief guests for our Entrepreneurs Day.
Okay.
Okay. But then there was one Kailash Katkar also. Sorry,
Yeah, he was earlier our awardee, and then one day, 2 years before, he was called for.
Sorry.
Chief guest. No issue.
Sorry. Yeah. Yes, Santosh, you want to say something?
Same.
Okay.
Atulne सांगितलं तेच.
Yes, okay. Just Mahesh, just go to the list of awards so that we can tell.
These are the list of awardees, sir.
Okay.
Name of award also we can go according to this. Also we can. Okay.
Yeah, just slowly go so that people can see these. Actually, when I looked at the Devdhar's name, I thought that our club giving award to him is little something that is different. Okay, these are chief guests.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, I think whoever are interested can just visit our website.
We are still updating all this information. Once we make it more better, we're working on that, sir.
Yeah, and all credit to Mahesh. He is working extensively on updation of our website and all.
It is all group efforts, sir.
I agreed. But we should give due credit whoever is there, definitely. Yeah. Just go to the list of awards. Okay. So this year, I'm gone. Okay, yeah. This year we are not giving, I think, entrepreneur for lady entrepreneur, the excellence in the.
But sir, if anyone, that category is not there.
Yeah, that category is not there. So we have another category, excellence in entrepreneur, research and development. So the person who we are promoting or we are nominating should have done something in research and development, or some innovation should have been there. Then service industry, let's say any of the service industry, maybe whatever, maybe just providing of the manpower, or like BVG, if somebody has done something in cleaning, we can propose his name for the nomination. Then outstanding work in agriculture. I think this is a buzzword in these days, where a lot of people are coming for the agricultural industry. So we can give there. Entrepreneur in social relevance. So we would like to give an award to a person who has done something where there is a social relevance to the activity of the. Then green enterprises, everybody understands. Award for organization supporting entrepreneurs. Maybe this is not given to an individual. All the other awards could be given to an individual or a group of individuals, where maybe company or something. But this is in particularly, this will be given to the organization only. Okay, so I would request all of us to nominate everybody whom they are aware and they wish that he should get an award. One word of caution is that it's not that if you have nominated somebody, he will definitely get an award, because there is a committee which will evaluate, and based on their criteria, I would say the best judgment of the committee, individual awards would be given. So that's all about the awarding part. What date we have kept it as a deadline to submit these forms, Mahesh? Mahesh, any date?
Till 10th.
Yeah, by
nothing
10th of
specified.
July. Yeah, by by 10th of
10th
July, we should
Yeah.
get the nominations, and these nominations to be filled up by a member. And for that, what he can do, if he want to nominate somebody, he can talk to him and get its consent, explain him about the Entrepreneurs International Trust and our activities, and maybe he can sit along with him in his office or in his of whatever way, and he can fill up the information, because some of the information like the turnovers, some awards or whatever he has doing as a quality standards and all that. So he has to get that information right from him and fill up the form and submit it. So this is a complete online process. They can even add the profile catalog. They can add the biodata of the awardee, and accordingly, the forms will be filled up. So there is no need of physical movement or physical transferring of information. It can be done online. So this is we are trying for last 1 or 2 years, and well, it is better success giving. In any of the category, if we don't receive any nomination, then that award is not given on that particular year. So please see to it that we get nomination for all the categories, and every member can fill up whatever nominations. There is no limit for that. Thank you.
And you can spread the words to your acquaintances so that we can get maximum number of nominations and we get the right person for a particular award. So I would request everyone, we are only 15 here. I would say if you would tell, everybody of us would tell it to 10 people, then we can have 150, and those 10 people would tell another 100 people. So we can have about 1500 people who would nominate as per their choice. So I hope that is what we should aim at, so that the awards are given to the best deserving candidates. Okay.
I hope
That's all from
Shriram,
me. Yeah.
Gokhale sir want to say something. Sir, please, you can go ahead.
Yeah. My point is, my mindset is like this, that during the whole year, I have a page in the diary where I feel whenever I'm reading newspaper or going through various messages or information, I find certain person, oh, his profile is good, we should award him in our entrepreneur club. So I just note down his name,
Yes, sir.
number or something, or whatever information it is. Now, when we want to propose some name, is it necessary that he should be known to me?
No. No.
I should. It should
Only-
not be, because why? In fact, I don't know. Perhaps sir.
No,
is here or
but
not.
you have to, yes. Atul sir, can you please share?
Perhaps sir also
Parab
keeps on,
sir, Parab sir is also there. Parab sir.
perhaps sir also keeps
sir, yes.
always saying that this is the person we should award on our
The-
group.
Actually, we have to definitely contact him to understand that we are going to share his information to Entrepreneurs Club.
No, that is okay. That I
may be,
understand.
sir, he may not be known to you. म्हणजे आपल्याला माहिती नसेल तरी आपण त्याच्याशी बोलू शकतो. आपण त्याला आपल्या क्लबची माहिती देऊ शकतो
बरोबर आहे.
आणि त्याला आपण प्रपोज करू शकतो. म्हणजे as long as we are getting exact information what we want from him, there should not be any problem. कारण आपल्याला हे जस्ट परब साहेबांनीच मागच्या वेळेला कृष्णा डायग्नोसिस प्रपोज केलं होतं, तर त्यांच्या थोडेफार परिचयाचे होते इफ आय एम करेक्ट, पण त्यांनी ते प्रपोज केलं आणि इट वॉज व्हेरी फॅन्टास्टिक एंटरप्रेनर्स. म्हणजे फार छान अवॉर्ड आपण ते देऊ शकलो होतो. तर असं होऊ शकतं, आपल्याला थोडीशी माहिती असू शकते किंवा कोणाच्या थ्रू माहिती होते एखाद्याची, आणि वी कॅन डेफिनेटली सी की कोण कसं काय काम करते. म्हणून तर आपले मेंबर ते फर्स्ट फिल्टर खूप मोठा आपला चांगला असतो, मेंबरने सजेस्ट केलंय. सो इट्स गुड.
But there I need some help from Mahesh. See, suppose I have written down a name where I read some article, but the information was not there.
Okay.
How do I, get contacts of him?
Google बाबा.
Google वर म्हणजे फेसबुक, लिंक्डइन हे दोनच फॉर्म्स आहेत.
Right, sir. Right. And if those personalities are famous, then we can definitely get connection.
Okay, I'll try that.
Definitely, sir. Need help? I'll be there to help you.
Yeah. Otherwise, Google sir, if you have read that article, let's say in Sakal, and based on that you wish to propose his name, then I think we can request Sakal to get the information. Can they give it? I think that also could be possible, so that we can get the information.
Sir, that will be again a long process, indirect process. We can directly find anyone nowadays.
Oh, is it? Okay,
that's
that I am
what
not.
actually. So one session, Mahesh, I think, on how to identify a person.
Definitely.
Because what we want to know is the phone number or email so that we can contact him. Just
correct. And that way, this is one way of increasing our network.
Yes.
In the manner of entrepreneurship, proudly we contact some persons and bring them for award. And that's also a nice gesture.
Yes, very true.
सर
प्लीज गो अहेड. संतोष सर, गो अहेड.
याच्यात फक्त एकच म्हणजे दिस इज ऍब्सोल्युटली गुड. आणि याच्यात आपला जरी कॉन्टॅक्ट नसेल त्यांचा, तरी कॉन्टॅक्ट मिळाल्यानंतर त्यांची एक बेसिक माहिती आपण घेतली साधारण, म्हणजे त्याच्यातनं आपल्याला जे काही समजा आर्टिकल किंवा कुठनं जी माहिती मिळाली ती एकदा फक्त आपण क्रॉस इव्हॅल्युएट केली आणि मग वी कॅन नॉमिनेट की म्हणजे इफ फेल्ट अप्रोप्रिएट या पद्धतीने, म्हणजे दॅट इज एक्सपेक्टेड. प्रत्येक वेळेस तो ओळखीचाच असेल आपल्या असं नक्कीच नाहीये, पण त्यांची माहिती घेऊन आपल्याला द्यायची त्या फॉर्म मधनं.
तर फॉर्म मध्ये पण असं एक काळजी घेतलेलं आहे की वाय द प्रपोजी इज सजेस्टिंग दिस नॉमिनेशन, असंही एक व्ह्यू टाकायचं ऑप्शन दिलेलं आहे. म्हणजे वाय एंटरप्रेन्योर्स क्लब मेंबर इज प्रपोजिंग दिस प्रपोजी. म्हणजे आणि डिपार्टमेंट फायनलायझेशन ऑफ द अवॉर्ड इज कम्प्लिटली डिफरंट. ओके, त्यामुळे फक्त हे आपण पॉइंट सगळे म्हणजे पुट करून आपण हे करतोय सर.
करेक्ट.
येस. Rajkumar Fatade sir, you want to say something?
Yeah, I just wanted to say, so when we are nominating anybody's name, आता जसं गोखले सरांनी सांगितलं,
yes,
रोशनी पण त्याला उत्तर दिलं, अतुलनी पण सांगितलं, पण ऍट द सेम टाइम आपण हेही बघितलं पाहिजे की ज्याचं नाव आपण नॉमिनेट करतो त्याला क्लिअरली सांगितलं पाहिजे की तुझं नाव आम्ही फक्त नॉमिनेट करतो. तर असं नाही की तुम्हाला नंबर 1
बरोबर आहे.
तो नॉमिनेट केल्यानंतर त्याला हेही सांगितलं पाहिजे की इन केस जर क्लबने किंवा एंटरप्रेन्योर इंटरनॅशनलने ठरवलं अवॉर्ड द्यायचं तर मग ती यायची तयारी आहे का, 29 तारखेला तुम्ही अवेलेबल आहात.
राईट.
नको की आपण ठरवलं की त्यांना द्यायचं आहे आणि त्यांनी ऍक्सेप्ट नाही केलं, तर आपलंही आपण इमेज ठेवून राहिलं पाहिजे की असं नको की आपण द्यायला तयार आहोत आणि समोरचा माणूस घ्यायला तयार नाही. ओके, सो कीप दिस ऑल्सो इन माइंड.
गुड पॉइंट.
म्हणून सर आपण काय करतोय की मेंबर जो आहेत ना, वी आर कन्सिडरिंग हिम ॲज रिस्पॉन्सिबल ऑर काइंड ऑफ से
नॉमिनेट करणारी व्यक्ती हे कोऑर्डिनेट करणं अपेक्षित आहे थोडंसं.
करेक्ट सर. आणि खूप चांगलं पॉइंट हायलाइट केले की इव्हन समजा नसेल त्यांचं झालं तर वी शुड कम्युनिकेट टू दॅट पर्सन की सर आपल्या ह्या कॅटेगरीमध्ये ह्यांना सिलेक्शन झालेलं आहे. डेफिनेटली इट इज द मॅनेजमेंट थिंग्स.
कारण हे अनुभव मी याच्याकरता करतोय की याच्या आधी आम्ही हे सगळे अनुभव घेतलेले आहेत.
ओके सर.
दोष ओढून घेतलेले आहेत, कुणाचे दुखवणं ओढून घेतलेलं आहे, शिवाय झालेलं आहे.
करेक्ट.
आणि एक हे थोडस आपल्याला हे पण लक्षात घ्यावं लागतं किंवा म्हणजे एक तो प्रोटोकॉल आपण पाळतो की समजा आर्टिकल वगैरे आलेला असेल तर कदाचित असं होऊ शकतं की त्याला आधीच बऱ्याच ऑर्गनायझेशन्स कडनं अवॉर्ड मिळालेले असतील असं. तर मग थोडस आपण त्याला म्हणजे तो डिझर्व करत नाही का तर नक्की डिझर्व करतो, पण तरी आपण थोडस असं बघतो की ज्याला थोडं आपल्या आवडमुळे अजून त्याला एक चालना किंवा जास्त एनकरेजमेंट मिळेल, मोटिवेशन मिळेल असं हा एक ऍस्पेक्ट आपण ठेवतो. म्हणजे काटकरांचं जे मगाशी सुभाषने सांगितलं तर त्यांचं मंगळवार पेठेत एक छोटं शॉप होतं, त्यावेळेस आपण त्यांना अवॉर्ड दिलेलं आहे वे बॅक समवेअर इन 90s मध्ये. आणि आज ते एवढे मोठे आहेत की त्यांना आपण 2 वर्षापूर्वी चीफ गेस्ट बोलवलं. म्हणजे असं तर डिझर्विंग जे अपकमिंग आहेत त्यांना आपण जास्त प्रेफरन्स देतो इन्स्टेड ऑफ ज्यांचं ऑलरेडी खूप सारे अवॉर्ड्स मिळालेले आहेत आणि व्हेरी वेल नोन आहेत असं त्याच्याऐवजी.
व्हेरी व्हॅलिड पॉइंट.
बरं अतुल, मला हे विचारायचं होतं की आपण चीफ गेस्टचा काय विचार केलाय? तुम्ही काही शॉर्टलिस्ट केलेत का काही नावं?
1-2 नावं डोळ्यासमोर आहेत सर, तुम्ही सजेस्ट करू शकता. हॅलो.
नाही सॉरी, मागच्या वेळेलाच आपण काही प्रयत्न केले होते, हरी मेनन वगैरे, पण त्यावेळेला ते आपल्याला हे दुसरे मिळाले म्हणून त्यानंतर फॉलोअप नाही
हो
केलं.
हो. हा.
किंवा विचारून बघता येईल. किंवा दुसरं एक माझ्या डोक्यात होतं की आदली आय डोंट नो, म्हणजे माझं काही कॉन्टॅक्ट नाही आहे डायरेक्ट, पण आय एम बिट इम्प्रेस्ड बाय दॅट ग्रुप. एक कुठे ग्रुप म्हणून भरपूर जाहिरात येते टीव्हीवर.
कुठे?
हा,
बरं.
ते फास्ट मुव्हिंग कंझ्युमर प्रोडक्ट्स बऱ्यापैकी आहेत आणि टीव्हीवर रेग्युलर त्यांची जाहिरात बऱ्याच जणांनी पाहिलं पण असेल.
कोकोनट ऑइल बद्दल येते, कोकोनट ऑइल.
हा, बरेच आहेत त्यांचे फास्ट मुव्हिंग कंझ्युमर. तो मराठी ग्रुप आहे.
हो हो,
बरं.
पाहिले जाहिराती. हा
हा, आणि एवढी मराठी ग्रुप वरती येत आहे ह्याचं मला खरंच कौतुक वाटलं त्यांचं जरा.
हे भरारी मध्ये आहे ते. हा
हा, बऱ्यापैकी भरारीमध्ये आहे. तर त्यांचं
हा.
आहे काय डोंट नो आहे, माझं स्वतः डायरेक्ट काही कॉन्टॅक्ट नाही आहे. बट इट अपियर्स टू बी अ नेक्स्ट बिग ग्रुप when it comes to मराठी entrepreneurs.
ओके, गुड गुड.
हा, त्यामुळं विचार करायला हरकत नाही.
ओके.
तसं आपले मराठे आहेत कॉटन किंगचे वगैरे,
हो हो.
तसंच हे एक नाव मला दिसतं, म्हणजे मराठी एंटरप्रेन्योर्स म्हणून. आणि त्यातही फास्ट मुव्हिंग कंझ्युमर गुड्स हे एरिया इतकं टफ आहे.
हो, डॉमिनेटेड बाय अदर.
याच्यात इतकं कॉम्पिटिशन असतं आणि
रिअली यस.
दे आर कमिंग अप. इज रिअली अमेझिंग.
आणि साईट काढलीच आहे महेश.
काढलं लगेच.
हो.
महेश इज ऑलरेडी ऑन द जॉब. ग्रेट.
ट्राय
Tirumala Oil.
It will be interesting to listen to their story.
Yes, yes.
अजूनही कुणाला काही सजेशन द्यायचे असतील तर ऑलवेज वेलकम. वी कॅन हॅव देन अवेलेबिलिटी वगैरे सगळं बघून वी कॅन डू.
हॅलो हॅलो.
हा, बोला परब साहेब.
हा, ते चॅट मध्ये मी एक आता टाकली आहे बघा.
हो हो हो.
यू ऍग्री, म्हणजे सोशल रिलेव्हन्स बरोबर ते एक्स्ट्रा देता येईल किंवा त्याच्यामध्ये पण देता येईल ऑफकोर्स, पण जस्ट माझ्या डोक्यात आलं कळवलं.
काय आपल्याला जर तुमच्या कोणी माहितीत असेल असा एंटरप्रेन्योर केलेला तर डेफिनेटली सजेस्ट करा कुठे बसवायचं, दॅट वी कॅन थिंक सोशल रिलेव्हन्स मध्ये जाऊ शकेल. कारण आता कोविड इज
कोविडचं नाव देऊन वेगळं दिलेलं चांगलं असं मला वाटतं.
हा, ठीक आहे ना, वी कॅन डू दॅट. दॅट इज नॉट अ प्रॉब्लेम. पण एकच नॉमिनेशन आलं तर दॅट बिकम्स लिटल डिफिकल्ट ना, म्हणजे मग हरकत नाहीये त्यालाही.
आपल्या मेंबरना आपण देत नाही, पण आपल्या मेंबर्स पैकी पण काही लोक असे प्रयत्नात होते, जसे फॉर एक्झाम्पल आपले भंडारी सर, किंवा त्यांनी म्हणजे रेकॉर्ड टाइम मध्ये हे दिली, असे काही स्पेशल मेन्शन ते पण चालू शकेल.
येस येस. नाही, समजा अवॉर्ड नसेल आपण आपल्या मेंबरला देत तर आपण एक नवीन पायंडा म्हणजे वी कॅन फेलिसिटेट देम की बाबा दिस इज व्हॉट दे हॅव डन इन द सोशल रिलेव्हन्स. कारण आपल्या बरोबर फक्त क्लबचीच लोक नसतील तर बाहेरची लोक अटेंड करतील. आय थिंक महेश इज ट्राइंग टू हॅव ऍटलीस्ट 1000 पीपल ऑन बोर्ड. सो वी कॅन हॅव आवर क्लब मेंबर्स ऑल्सो फेलिसिटेटेड. We can think in that.
That is my idea.
Just a word of, it's a very nice suggestion. I don't know how many of you have read it. Parab Sahib said that let's this year give an award for entrepreneurship for COVID purpose. So if somebody has already done something great in entrepreneurship to support curbing of COVID, asa kai asel that it's a very nice idea. It's really nice.
एक इमिजिएट डोळ्यासमोर येतं म्हणजे आपल्या हिमांशुनी ही हॅज डेव्हलप व्हेंटिलेटर, आणि म्हणजे ही एक अपॉर्च्युनिटी बघून त्यांनी त्याच्यामध्ये खूप चांगलं काम केलं. ऍज अ पुन्हा तो विषय आहे की मेंबर आहे, पण नुसतं फेलिसिटेशन म्हणून जर करायचं म्हणजे कौतुक केल्यासारखं, तर शेवटी पाठीवर थाप मिळणं कधी उपयोगी असतो.
हो, आणि आपल्या मेंबरला का नको थाप द्यायला? डेफिनेटली वी शुड म्हणजे डू दॅट. इट इज अवर ड्युटी, आय वुड से.
If everyone agrees, we can think of, no problem.
At trustee meeting, we can discuss on this.
Yes.
Correct.
When are you conducting trustee meeting for this?
बघू आता. अतुल आहे का?
Yes, he's there. आहेत.
नाही, मधून माझा व्हिडिओ फ्रीज होतो. आय डोंट नो वेदर यू आर देयर.
आवाजही कट होतोय, काय कळत नाही आज.
हो, तेच.
नाही, आपण अनाऊन्स करूया आता. ही नॉमिनेशन साठी आपण आज अवॉइड केलेलं आहे. ती ट्रस्टीच्या ग्रुपवर टाकेल मी. पुढच्या आठवड्यातच घ्यायला लागेल आपल्याला मीटिंग. आपली संडेला मीटिंग झाली की जे काय आपलं ब्रीफ आहे ते विल शेअर विथ ऑल.
Yes.
Good. So there are inputs. Yes.
Yeah. We request all to give as many nomination as possible. People are reducing, Mahesh, so it's time. What?
Time is gone.
Yeah.
So shall we call it?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you all. Good night.
Bye.
Good night.
Thank you. See you. Bye. Good night.
Bye.